So you want to have some Pi Network coin, but you don't know how to go about it. So in this video, I'm showing you exactly how to get money and put in your exchange and use it to buy Pi and all the mistakes you must avoid so that you simply buy Pi and not lose money in the process. Yeah, to start with, just open your phone and get this app, Bitget Exchange. I pinned the link in the comment section so that you don't get the wallet instead. Now, the moment you open Bitget Exchange, simply go ahead and click Add Funds. Right here, select option that says P2P trading. P2P trading, if you use the option, you will not be charged money while you're buying Pi, okay? Now, you click on Buy and make sure you also select P2P here. Now, what you see here are all the people that place ads to sell cryptocurrency like USDT and the rest of that. So there are things you must watch out for so that you get it right. Click on the triangle beside limit and select the amount you might be buying so that it will show you the people that are willing to sell that quantity. Now click on method and select the method you want to use and pay and buy the Pi. So I selected bank transfer. You should do the same thing. And now the next filter is make sure your country currency is here, NGN. But if yours is not there, click on the triangle and select it. All country currency is there. Now click on the filter icon here and make sure you turn on these important things. Turn on tradable ads only. Now, payment time. There are people that will pay within 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Select the time you can afford to wait. So most of the time you can select 15 minutes or 10, 20 or 30 minutes, depending on your patience. Now, Bitget has shown you a lot of options based on the things that you have selected. This person have done total of 65 trades. Now, it's important you select somebody that has done a lot of trades, and I will show you the reason later on in this video. This person has done 982 trades. This means this person has made transaction with a lot of people, 900 plus. Yeah, this person has done transaction with 7,100 and something people, right? And now the person you want to trade with, you click on buy beside the person's ad. Right here in this page, you see more details about the order you want to make. You have to start by typing in the amount that you want to buy, the exact amount you will transfer. Type it here. So 10,000, for instance, I will just type 10,000 naira. And now make sure to read the person's terms and conditions so that you won't have issue trading with this person. Now, when you're done, you click on buy USDT with 0 fees. Now, the next page shows you order has been generated. As at this point, you are no longer going back, okay? Even if you go back, you will not be able to continue this transaction for now. So focus on reading the transaction and then the terms and condition, and then click on next. Copy the person's account number, make the payment, click I have paid, and then select I have transferred 10,000 naira or any amount it is you transferred to the person. Now you wait, but meanwhile you can chat this person. Some of them require you to send receipts, so you send receipts to this person. And here is a mistake that I made so that you will not make it. This person wrote in down his terms that if you want to transfer 10,000 naira, instead you transfer 9,999 naira, but I went ahead and transferred 10,000 naira. This is his condition. So we had a little bit of misunderstanding regarding that. So you see that I later had to send him extra 100 naira, and then the fund was released. So make sure you always read the terms and conditions of the person you are trading with. And there are other things you must avoid, which I will explain to you later. The 15 minutes that this person said he can pay has passed, but he hasn't sent it, so I'll just wait for a moment. Now, as at this moment, Bitget will tell you to appeal in case you are not getting your money. Now, this is the reason I told you it's good you select somebody that has done a lot of transaction. That means the person account number and bank is with Bitget, and the person has done thousands of transactions. There's no way the person will want to risk it, okay? So he later sent the $6, which is equivalent to 10,000 naira. So now let's go and buy the pie. To buy pie, you simply click on where you see assets, because you now have money in your Bitget exchange. You have USDT. Now click on transfer. You want to transfer the USDT from OTC account to spot account. So click OTC up and down, select spot, and then select the quantity of USDT you want to transfer. Just drag this button and then you see the percentage you're moving. So I'm moving everything to spot because I want to use all and buy pie. Now you go ahead and click on confirm. Remember, you can buy any quantity of pie you want. I'm using this to show you you can buy even smaller amounts. Now you have moved your fund to spot account, so click on trade so that you buy pie. In this page, click this small triangle and type pi. You see pi USDT. Click on it. And then make sure you click on buy and drag this quantity to select the quantity of your money you want to spend on pie, or the quantity of pie you want to buy. So I want to use all of this money to buy pie. Click on buy and then click on confirm. So now that you have bought pie, let me tell you some things that you must avoid if you're trying to make this trade using Bitget Exchange. Now you see the value of 17 pie is $6 plus. Now, if you're trading with Bitget Exchange, there are things that you should be careful for, not just Bitget Exchange, any exchange at all. Make sure that you are transferring money from the same account you registered the exchange with. So if your name is Aderinshola Mahid, make sure that that's the bank. Don't use your business account or POS account to make the transaction, so that you won't have issue in the process. And also, remember, you can help thousands of people that are wondering how to make cryptocurrency transaction. And just simply go ahead and share this video to help them out. Remember, in case you don't know how to register or verify your Bitget Exchange account, the video on your screen right now will help you to do that. However it goes, I wish you the best in all of this.